Microsoft has officially announced that they are removing SMS, that's those one-time login codes sent to your phone, as a way to verify your identity or recover your account. So if you have been using text messages to log in to your personal Microsoft account, that option is going away. This is not some small update, this is a big change that affects millions of people. But here the real question, why is Microsoft doing this? Well, here's something that might surprise you. Microsoft says that SMS authentication, those simple text code, have now become one of the biggest sources of fraud and hacking. Think about it, hackers have gotten really good at intercepting text messages. They can trick your phone carrier into sending your number to their phone. It's called SIM swapping and it's more common than you think. So that's code you thought was protecting you in the wrong situation. It's actually the weakest link. So what do you do now? Microsoft wants you to switch to something called a passkey. Don't let the word scare you. It's actually simpler than trying a password or waiting for a text. A passkey works with your device, your fingerprint, your face, or your phone PIN. To prove it's really you, no code, no waiting, just tap and you are in. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Next time you sign into your Microsoft account, you will see a prompt asking if you want to set up a faster sign in. Click next. Step 2. Just follow the on-screen steps. It takes about 1 minute. According to Microsoft, passkeys give you 4 big wins over text codes. Number 1, better security, much harder to hack. Number 2, faster login, no more waiting for a text. Number 3, lower risk, no SIM swapping possible. Number 4, easier account recovery if you ever get locked out. So before Microsoft remove the option and catch you off guard, go set up your passkey today. And if this video helped you out, drop a like and genuinely help more people find this before they get locked out of their account.